My name is C0200 Jubilee, popularly known as Engineer Dex. This is a Toyota rav4 2007. The owner is complaining ABS lights, vehicle stability control, and others. So follow me. Let's go on. You have to put the machine. What the machine says will tell us the truth of what is happening to it. Yes. Oh, 07. Two-wheel drive. Diagnostic control units. BS bits. DTC system is telling us front speed sensor right and circuit malfunction C0200. That's a front wheel sensor malfunction, ABS sensor right. Okay, what we have to do, you have to first erase the code. Erase done. Read the code again. The malfunctioning code is there, so that means the sensor right sensor is not okay. We have to remove that sensor and put another one. Let's check the pin first, whether the wire is cutting or the way this wire is big, maybe it was corrosive. This is the harness. The harness is okay. What we have seen now is the sensor is back up. That means we have to change that sensor. The right side. We have checked the harness. Let's continue whether the fault can be erased. As we are seeing now, that right sensor, the harness is okay. But now, let's see. That is connecting. rav4. rav4. That's not 7. Two-wheel drive. Diagnose control units. Read fault code. It is done. DTC. That means we have to change that sensor. That sensor, right sensor, is malfunction. We have to buy another sensor. Watch me on YouTube. Subscribe.